going on? So we're on a road trip. We're going to Little Taladega. Like an invitational, whatever. I don't know. There's a lot of drivers coming from all over the country.
We're famous.
Some guys from where are people coming from?
We got B-Rat over here. I'm coming from Oregon.
You're riding with us, so that doesn't count. Who's going? What states?
Ohio, Texas, Memphis, Colorado, Alabama. I think that's about it.
Yeah. So kind of all over the place. But we got Carrie's trailer, Rashawn's car. Can't see shit. But my car kind of blew up at the last event. Actually, it did blow up at the last event. So luckily, Tim was letting me borrow his G35. Should be very similar to my old one. So should be good times. See what happens. So Baron just got here. Come on, you got a shotgun of beer. Been here literally 30 seconds.
Up here's way too cold to shotgun. Oh, dude, this is gonna suck. Yeah, real bad.
Send it.
Oh, tall boy. Tall boy. Cheers, boys.
What?
I'm out. I'm out.
Oh. Uh-oh. Gotta come. Marcus! You good? You good? Alright, so it's morning time. It's a little cold, very wet, you can kind of see. But yeah, it should be interesting. I don't know if y'all saw, this is Tim's car. This is what I'm borrowing today. It's kind of set up like my G35 sedan I had. Should be a good car, but see how it goes.
Spinning faster. Oh, he's just trying to get the fuel out of it.
Huh?
It's just real.
Just float it out. I don't have to fucking smart.
Ah! it got up to like 220, which isn't horrible.
Because it's been watered, been done up with tires, hitting the headers.
Baron sent it a little hard. Wow, almost hit this pole. Jeez, wild times.
I didn't know how far away.
Luckily, the owner's neighbor is pulling out with a winch.
I never even looked over here today. It's a weird blue color. I'm sure you had. Look that back. It's okay. It's KVD.
What's a bumper? It's KVD.
It's KVD.
Oh man. Left. Jeez, look at all this mud. Exciting?
Did you have fun?
Was that exciting?
Best ride along the weekend.
Now, you were in the car with him?
You
can ask Trey, bro. I parked in this fucking mud hole over here, and I probably should have gotten all that shit off there, but
Yeah.
no, we went.
The first lap is good though.
I hit it right here, and I felt it kind of washing, and I was like, yeah, it's the first lap. I kind of felt it getting a little loose.
Yeah.
And then second lap, that's why I didn't initiate hard right there.
Yeah.
So I was like, man, all right, well, that felt good. Fuck it, get to the outside zone and really get down on it. And then as soon as it went full lock, it was like, I guess hit the mud that's on the outside of the tire that doesn't get touched.
And it
just
said,
went,
nope. Hopefully somebody has a clip of that somewhere. Choked out. Oh, I didn't get that.
We should have waved the red flag. No, don't tell him to do a burnout. Okay, don't do a burnout. No, do not encourage him to do a burnout. Very bad idea. John, tell him to do a donut. Okay, are you not excited enough? Tell him to do a donut.
And that's a wrap for little Talladega.
Red flag.